Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the Ducati Hypermotard 1100S, which is a 1/18 scale special edition diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Ducati Hypermotard 1100S replica comes mounted on a base plate with the model name on it and in a special edition window type box, which is a standard boxing by Maisto. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the packaging and get this thing opened. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 1/18 scale motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and functionality of this 1/18 scale Ducati Hypermotard 1100S diecast replica, and please do let me know as to what are your favorite features regarding this awesome diecast replica in the comments below. So let's go ahead and take a closer look and stay tuned for some fun facts about the Ducati Hypermotard 1100S coming up. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Ducati Hypermotard 1100S. And I'm glad that I got this model to add to my ever-growing 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Ducati enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the best buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Ducati Hypermotard 1100S replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this Ducati motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Ducati Hypermotard coming up. The Ducati Hypermotard is a supermotard Ducati motorcycle designed by Pierre Terblanche and was first seen at the November 2005 EICMA trade show in Milan. The Hypermotard was awarded Best of Show at EICMA and has since won other show awards. The Hypermotard has a 1078cc dual-spark Desmodramatic air-cooled 2-valve 90-degree V-twin engine with fuel injection and weighs under 180 kgs. The Hypermotard is capable of speeds in the region of 125 miles per hour. The rigidly triangulated trellis frame wears 50mm Mazzocchi RAC inverted forks and has a Nolan's remote reservoir shock attached to a strong single-sided swing arm. The Marchesini racing wheels were dual radially mounted Brembo 4-piston 2-pad brake calipers matched with 305mm discs up front and a 245mm disc with 2-piston calipers at the rear. There has been rumors for some time that Ducati would produce a supermotard class bike, which was a growing sector of the market mostly catered for the likes of KTM and Husqvarna. The unveiling of the Hypermotard concept was via a dedicated mini site linked from the main Ducati website in March 2006. And for further information on the Ducati Hypermotard 1100S, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Ducati Hypermotard 1100S replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Ducati diecast replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And please do check out the rest of the 112 scale and the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.